Well, last week, my girlfriend gave me a bottle of Galliano. We were introduced to Galliano, oh, years ago when we went on a trip to the Bahamas. And this gorgeous bartender made us a yellow bird. We had never heard of it before, but let me tell you, we've been drinking it ever since. So today, this is what we're going to make a yellow bird. So I have my shaker ready with the ice in it. I'm going to start off with a dark rum. Then a light rum, and I'm going to use the Malibu coconut rum because I like the flavor of the coconut in it, and it's a tropical drink, so why not? There we go. And banana liqueur. Just a little bit of that to give it that, I love bananas. Let me put a little more. Give it that extra flavor. And then our Galliano. So this has a few liquors in it, and let me tell you, it's a great drink. Once you have this, every time the sun shines and you see a yellow finch, you're going to think of a yellow bird, like I do. Then we're going to add pineapple juice and orange juice. Put our top on. Shake it up. I can't shake it too much because this thing leaks all over for some reason. The top doesn't go on real tight. So I got that shook up. Now I'm going to finish my ice off. Get my ice in my glass. You know me. I like lots of ice in my drinks. And I get my yellow bird all mixed up. Pour it in. Oh, I can smell how nice it's gonna taste. Ooh. And I like to put cherries in it. So if you want, fix your screwer with some cherries. You can drop a cherry in, which I like to do because then it gives it that extra flavor. Plus, you see the little cherry on the bottom of it. So here we have our yellow birds. So when you see the yellow birds outside, run inside, make yourself a yellow bird. Go sit outside, enjoy the sunshine, and have a great day. Love you all.